Welcome to the podcast, POP Voice of Fatimura with Media.
I'm Kimberly.
And I'm Clifford.
Today we were going to talk about a super cool hero from Maluku. Can you guess who he was?
Yup, who else if not Thomas Matulesi, or as we usually knew him, Kapitan Patimura.
That's why he really was a legend. We had probably heard the name Patimura many times, but not everyone knew his full story.
But honestly, did you only know Patimura from street name or money?
That was why today we were going to discuss everything from his background, struggles, and the lessons we could learn from him. So, who was Patimura?
His real name was Thomas Matulesi, a national hero from Maluku.
He was born on June 8, 1783 in Haria. He came from a simple family. His father was Franz Matulesi and his mother was Francina Silahway.
And apparently, Patimura also had a younger brother named Johannes who joined the struggle too. So, honestly, this family was full of fighters.
I totally agree. Since he was young, Patimura lived really close to the community, so he could directly see how the people suffered because of Dutch colonialism.
And from there, his bravery and desire to fight against injustice started to grow. Then, in 1870, this became a really important moment. Patimura started leading the resistance of the Maluku people. And the cool thing was, he did not just fight randomly, but he actually planned strategies and led the troops really well.
Yeah, and the fort was even controlled for around 3 months. Honestly, I think that was really amazing because it proved that Patimura had strong leadership and great strategy skills.
But behind all that success, there were actually a lot of difficulties too. The Dutch troops were way stronger. They had more soldiers and more modern weapons. First, the Dutch troops were much stronger, had more soldiers, and used modern weapons.
Yeah, that's true. Meanwhile, Patimura's troops only had limited weapons and very little supplies. But honestly, it's amazing because even with those limitations, they still keep fighting because of their bravery and teamwork. Patimura's contribution was very big. Even though he faced many hardships, Thomas Matulesi still showed bravery and a never give up spirit.
True, he was not afraid to fight against the Dutch, even though their army was much stronger and had better weapons. He also kept leading the people of Maluku with confidence and passion to protect their rights and freedom. Patimura also continued to lead the people of Maluku firmly and passionately to defend their rights and freedom.
Yes, exactly. Because of him, people in Maluku became brave enough to fight against colonialism too. And honestly, his influence became really important in Indonesian history because he became a symbol of struggles and bravery. His influence was also felt in Indonesian history as a symbol of struggles.
But sadly, his journey was not easy at all. In the end, he was captured by the Dutch. But even so, his spirit never disappeared and people still remember him until today.
From the story of Thomas Matulesi, we could learn that big change could start from one brave person who dared to take action.
Yeah, and I think that's really inspiring. We did not to have become war heroes, but we could start from small things like being brave to speak the truth, being disciplined, and not following negative influence.
Exactly. Being young was not only about following the crowd, but also about having principles and doing the right things.
Patimura showed a great sacrifice for others. He was willing to sacrifice his life for the freedom of the people of the Maluku. This reflected love and care for others.
I totally agree with that. Patimura really showed who sacrificed for other people. He was willing to sacrifice his life for the freedom of Maluku people. Honestly, that was really amazing because not everyone had kind of courage.
True, he did not only think about himself, but he also cared about the people and their future. And that also matched the Bible verse in John chapter 15 verse 13 that said, "There was no greater love than to give up one's life for others." So, from that, we could see that Kapitan Patimura was not only known as a fighter, but also as someone who had great love and sacrifice for others.
Thank you for listening to VOP Voice of Patimura. Don't forget to share this podcast with your friend.